Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two snowblower brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Husqvarna ST224 and the Ariens 920021 snowblower. Winter is coming and not everyone is excited about it. During the cold season, snow is definitely going to cause a bit of a problem, starting from your front lawn or backyard. While shoveling might do the trick, there's something else that can blast through the snow as if it were paper. Yep, you guessed it right. Snowblowers. These handy units make your snow shoveling task 10 times easier. However, the challenge here is finding the ideal one for you. These units don't come cheap though, which is why we're here to showcase two of the very best so that you'll be able to get your money's worth. In today's brand wars, the Husqvarna ST224 will be going one-on-one with the Ariens 920021 snowblower. With both these snowblowers garnering a 4.5 badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, we'll be going into every important detail to determine which one works best for you. If you're interested in the other snowblowers that we reviewed, do check out our snowblower review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these snowblowers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and weight. A larger and heavier snowblower will always be harder to maneuver. Snowblowers are naturally hefty units, so getting a more compact one will always give you an advantage. Husqvarna has dimensions of 52.25 by 28.5 by 35 inches while weighing 198.6 pounds. On the other hand, Ariens has dimensions of 34 by 35 by 29 inches and weighs a total of 214 pounds. Husqvarna is the larger model. However, Ariens proves to be significantly heavier than the competition. Since each of them has its own pros and cons in this category, it's safe to end this round in a tie. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their clearing efficiency. Clearing efficiency is basically how much snow your unit can clear in a single pass. The factors that affect this are the clearing depth and the auger diameter. That being said, the unit with large diameters makes for a more efficient model. Husqvarna boasts a relatively large clearing capacity of 24 by 20 inches, not to mention that it has a 12-inch steel auger and a 4-cycle engine to make it as productive and effective as possible. Ariens, however, has a steel auger with a diameter of 11 inches. Its clearing depth is also at a disadvantage, being 3 inches smaller than the competition. It's quite obvious who the winner of this round is. Husqvarna, with its larger clearing capacity, scores the win in this category. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their headlights. During emergency situations, you might find yourself clearing snow during the night. Since the lack of light is definitely a hindrance, there are models that feature headlights to get you going even during the dead of night. In this category, both models have headlights that make it easy to see in the dark places. Ariens features halogen lights while Husqvarna is equipped with energy-efficient LED lights. LED lights are by far the most efficient option on the market today, since they use less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs. That being said, we'll be giving another point to Husqvarna. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their fuel capacity. Basically, a snowblower with a larger fuel capacity will be able to run longer. This is especially useful in areas that experience heavy snow. Of course, we recommend going for the unit that stores more fuel in its tank. While both the snowblowers have a good runtime, Ariens can hold 379 milliliters more fuel than its competitor, allowing it to run for longer. This is pretty straightforward. Ariens steals the point in this fourth round. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their throwing distance and shoot radius. You want your unit to throw the snow as far as possible. If it doesn't have enough throwing power, the snow it's clearing will just end up nearby, which will require you to frustratingly clear it yet again, doubling your effort. On top of that, a chute that turns allows for more versatility when directing where the snow is to be thrown. That's why we strongly suggest considering both factors. Thanks to its robust 223cc engine, Ariens is capable of throwing snow 5 feet further than its competitor, Husqvarna. On top of that, Ariens' chute rotation goes up to 205 degrees, a significant advantage over Husqvarna's 180-degree chute rotation. It's pretty clear that Ariens once again has the advantage in this category, which is why we'll be giving them yet another point. The sixth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their special features. It's always good to have a unit that has unique features that allow you to work more efficiently. Before your purchase, always be sure to check what other functions your snowblower offers to make your task a little bit easier. Husqvarna's special feature is its hand warmers, which keep your hands at the optimum temperature to allow you to work for longer periods. Ariens, however, does not have this feature. On the flip side, Ariens has 2 reverse speed settings for easier maneuverability, while Husqvarna only has 1. Each model has its own set of special features, which will be a great help in your snow clearing task. That being said, it would only be fair for a team to end this round in a tie. The 7th and final category that these 2 brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their price. The ratio of price to performance will always determine if your snowblower is worth your money. Considering everything we discussed, we'll be detailing if the unit you're getting is worth every penny. This is basically a tie-break round, as both snowblower brands have scored 4 points each. Husqvarna and Ariens have a lot in store for you, which makes them both reliable, practical and efficient units with performance on par with each other. Husqvarna, however, is the most cost-efficient of the 2, coming in at more than a couple of $100 less than the competition. Now, when the results are as clear as day and Husqvarna's value for money secured them the win in the 7th and final round, we've reached a verdict in today's brand wars. Our winner, Husqvarna, outshined the competition in terms of value for money, clearing efficiency and their more efficient LED headlights, allowing them to earn a total of 5 points. However, you can't simply count Ariens out even if it's at a loss. They proved to be the superior choice when it comes to fuel capacity, throwing distance, and shoot rotation. With all that said and done, Husqvarna claims the throne in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Husqvarna ST224 and the Ariens 92002 snowblower has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next snowblower face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.